And news just coming in, actor Surya, we are told, has issued a legal notice to animal rights group PETA for their statement that he is supporting Jallikattu now only to support his upcoming film Singham 3. The Tamil superstar who joined the Tamil Actors Guild silent protest has sent a legal notice to People for Ethical Treatment of Animals or PETA over their claims that he was only protesting to get publicity for his film. And India Today's Akshita Nandagopal now joins me with the latest, and Akshita has been virtually camping at the Marina Beach for the past 5 days, getting us the latest. Akshita, at this point of time, the Tamil film fraternity, the legal fraternity, the entire people are on a single page. Tell us, why is Surya so angry with PETA?
Well, for starters, Gaurav, Surya is a big star here in Tamil Nadu, and he's been someone who is a non-controversial figure, doesn't really take a stand on controversial issues, rather prefers to keep silent. But seeing, of course, the number of people who had gathered here at the Marina Beach, seeing the kind of support that the Jallikattu issue drew from the people of Chennai here, the youngsters would come together. We saw several Tamil stars taking a stand on Jallikattu, deciding to speak out. Surya was one of them. He was present along with the Nadigar Sangam yesterday for that protest, the silent protest that had taken place, where they didn't allow any media cameras to be present. They ensured that they all came together to show their support with the youth of Tamil Nadu for Jallikattu. Now, the controversy erupted when PETA issued a statement on this. PETA claimed that this was all a publicity stunt by Surya. His film Singham 3 will be releasing in a few months, so they claim that this is all a publicity stunt to garner attention ahead of the release of that much-awaited film, because he is banking a lot on that film. But it looks like Surya has seen red over that move. He's decided to take action against PETA. His team, in fact, has said very clearly that they've taken offense to PETA's claim that this is a mere publicity stunt, that he doesn't in fact share the sentiments of these youngsters, which is why he's decided to go ahead and file a legal notice against the People for Ethical Treatment of Animals. This definitely doesn't all go well for PETA, and if anything else, this will only lead to more opposition against them, because Gaurav, we have to understand that Surya is a mass star here. He's someone who's immensely popular, has a massive fan following, and even if we talk about his film that's coming up, Singham 3, it's been a franchise that's been very successful here in Tamil Nadu. So this is a step, no doubt, that the people here also will welcome, because, you know, they've been seeking for action against PETA so far.
Lots of drum beats, lots of dancing. Take us through the latest at the Marina Beach. We see it's a sea of humanity there, today being weekend.
Absolutely, Gaurav. Look at the scenes of celebration around us, you know. Considering the developments that have happened, it looks like there is a sense of victory in the air. You see girls out there playing the drums. You see little kids dancing. It is the weekend. Marina Beach is a very popular hangout for several families here in Chennai. But it's really this movement that's brought people together. There are people climbing up trees, not really safe. But this is the kind of excitement that's in the air right now. And there's a lot of anticipation also, Gaurav, for that meet, for the governor really coming to Chennai as well. So you can see, of course, the number of people who have come together. This initially started as a youth movement, Gaurav. I've been here for the last 4 days or so, and you know, increasingly what I've realized is that people from all walks of life have come together here. You see senior citizens here, you see little kids here, even families have come together holding up posters saying, "We want Jallikattu."
Oh, absolute party atmosphere there, especially where they've sensed victory with an ordinance slightly later this evening. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. AIADMK leaders in Delhi met President Pranab Mukherjee. They put forth their demand. They wanted an ordinance which is likely to be cleared later this evening. But in other parts of Tamil Nadu, protests continue, and also at the Marina Beach in other parts of Tamil Nadu for the 5th day, protesters want a permanent solution. DMK leaders MK Stalin and Kanimori, they're on a day-long hunger strike. Also, the actors community, they've reiterated that they want the focus to remain on the protesters on ground. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted to say all efforts are being made to fulfill the cultural aspirations of the Tamil people. He also added that the central government is fully committed to the progress of Tamil Nadu.
Definitely, I think we are going to get that. That is why I tell we are happy news come today itself. Today itself we are going to get good news. I think Tamil Nadu government is going to achieve what we wanted to achieve. ADMK wanted to achieve, we are going to achieve. That we are representing the aspiration of Tamil people. That ordinance will come soon and we are going to conduct the Jallikattu within 1 or 2 days.
We're on board a moving van here on the Marina Beach Road, trying to get you as much access to what's really happening here at the Marina Beach. And you can see meters really. People have thronged this beach. It's filled with people on the sidewalks, protesters also breaching into the roads. You see volunteers creating a human chain to allow traffic also to keep moving. And really these protesters have upped the ante today, 5th day of protests. And they've reserved really the best for now. If we thought that a lot of people had gathered before, we were totally mistaken. Lakhs now present here at the Marina Beach. We're struggling, of course, to also maintain our balance. But, you know, we're trying to get you as many shots as we can from every perspective of the protest that we can. If you look ahead also, you can see what they've done with the bull there. They're carrying this particular bull across the stretch of this road. I've been seeing it here for the last 2 hours. They're pushing it across to send out a message. You know, we've seen posters, we've seen cutouts, we've even seen sand sculptures. And look at this. They brought a statue. They've brought a statue of this cow here and kept it here. They're also attempting to take it in now. You can see through that particular barricade as well. But this part, of course, is the most crowded as far as the protests are concerned. You can see a lot more people here, all struggling to find space in this particular gathering. So this is the scene here at the Marina Beach Road. As far as the eye can see, there are people, all of them holding up black flags, all of them dressed in black as well, holding up posters demanding that ban on Jallikattu be revoked. There's a lot of anger against the state government, as you can see, as well as the centre, slogans being raised. Some people also demanding that the ban on PETA be revoked. So really this is the scene here. We hope you're able to get some sense of the atmosphere here at the Marina Beach. On board this van, we're trying to get you as much from along the stretch of the Marina Beach as we can. With camera person Shivamurthy, this is Akshita Nandagopal reporting from the Marina Beach Road in Chennai for India Today.
We'll get you more on that story through the day.